Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet baby shoes designs model. Let's start the video. Crochet baby shoes are tiny handmade shoes or booties created using crochet techniques, a method of making fabric by interlocking yarn with a hooked needle called a crochet. These adorable items are especially popular for newborns and infants because they are soft, cozy, and customizable in countless designs. Crochet baby shoes are soft footwear made from yarn designed to keep babies' feet warm and stylish. They often resemble miniature shoes, sandals, or booties, and can be crafted in various patterns, from simple and classic to cute animal-inspired or fancy dress-up styles. Why people love them? Handmade and personalized gifts for baby showers. Eco-friendly and reusable, comfortable and warm for delicate baby's feet. Can be color coordinated with outfits or themes. Here are some tips for making or choosing crochet baby shoes that are both beautiful and practical. Choose baby-friendly yarn. Use soft, breathable, and hypoallergenic yarn like cotton or bamboo blades. Avoid wool for newborns unless it is labeled baby safe. Some babies have sensitive skin. Stick to washable yarn since baby items need frequent cleaning. Pick the right hook size. Use the recommended hook size on your yarn label for even spaces. Smaller hooks create tighter spaces, better shape, while larger hooks give softer flexibility. Always test your tension with a small swatch before starting. Focus on comfort and fit. Ensure the shoes are snug but not tight around the ankles. Use spaces pieces like single or half double crochet for flexibility. Avoid sharp shapes or embellishments inside the shoes that could irritate baby skin. Add cute yet safe embellishments. Decorate with embroidered flowers, bows, or crochet patterns instead of small beads. They can be talking hazard. Use secure spacing for any decorations. Play with colors and themes. Soft pastels like cream, mint, blush pink, baby blue give a classic baby look. Try vintage stones for a timeless feel. Dusty rose, shoes cream or beige. Match the shoe color to the baby's outfit or nursery theme. Reinforce the soles. Add a double sole layer for sturdiness. For walking babies, you can stitch or glue a felt or leather piece in the bottom for better grip. Make them gift ready. Wrap them in tissue paper or place in a small crochet basket for gifting. Add a matching hat or headband to create a cute baby set. Keep patterns simple for beginners. If you are new to crochet, start with basic booties using single crochet stitches. Once you are comfortable, move on knitting or sandal designs. Use light breathable yarn for seasons. Summer, choose lightweight cotton or bamboo yarn to keep little feet cool. Winter, use soft acrylic or baby wool blends for extra warmth and coziness. Always check that the yarn feels smooth and non-sticky to touch. Create a neat and professional finish. Open all yarn ends carefully using a yarn needle to prevent loose threads. Block your finished shoes gently Lightly jump in and shape them to give them a clean, professional look. Pay attention to shoe shape. Make sure the toe area is roomy so baby toes can wiggle freely. The heel should be slightly firmer or double stitches to keep the shoe from slipping off. And a strapped ribbon tie or elastic band to keep the shoe secure. Mix and match design combine different crochet stitches like shell stitch or puff stitch for texture and charm. And constructing color zones or easing for a unique look. Try mixing neutral and pastel colors for a modern vintage vibe. Personalize your design. Add crocheted flowers, tiny bows, or baby in details. Stitch on top. Use stitch markers. When working on small items like baby shoes, it is easy to lose count. Use stitch markers or safety pins to mark your rounds and keep symmetry perfect. Make them washable. Babies often kick off or trail on their shoes. Choose machine washable yarns and avoid heavy embellishments that can get damaged. Air dry them flat to keep their shape. Create theme collections. If you love crocheting, make sets like spring baby collections like pastel flowers, woodland baby, fox bunny hair, or vintage baby lace style photos, perfect for baby showers or handmade soap displays. Use gentle, soft edging, avoid tight chipped or rough stitches around the ankle area. Try reverse single crochet curved stitches for soft and neat finishing edges. Add matching accessories. Make the shoes part of a cozy set. Crochet the matching hat, headband, or baby blanket in the same yarn and pattern. This creates a beautiful coordinated baby gift set. Choose the right yarn texture. Go for smooth yarns, not fuzzy, for a clean stitch look. Mercerized cotton gives a slight seam and holds shape beautifully. For extra softness, blend cotton and acrylic yarns. Soft yet strong. Make a test sauce. Always crochet a small test bit to check tension and size before making the full shape. Babies have different foot sizes, even within the same age group. Test helps you adjust easily. Add gentle elastic for better fit. You can weave a thin, soft elastic band around the ankle area to keep the shoes in place. Make sure it is not tight. It should stretch easily without leaving marks on baby's skin. Create double layers for durability. Make the sole double layers to pieces stitched together to add thickness and comfort. You can even insert a thin piece of felt or soft foam between layers for structure. Use stitch combination for a style. Try creative stitch mixes. Shell stitch for delicate feminine look. Puff or bobble stitches for textured playful feel. Single crochet and half double crochet mix for a sturdy base. Keep a consistent tension. Uneven tension makes shoes look lopsided or different in size. Relax your hands and maintain even loops, especially when making pairs. Add adorable finishing touches. Stitch tiny crochet hearts, flowers, bows, or stars. Constructing yarn edging. to make details pop. Add crochet ties or ribbons instead of plastic patterns for extra softness. Customize for occasions, ready-to-wear, simple and comfy booties. Special occasions, add the stream, pearl-like patterns, sequin stays, or metallic yarn aids them. Seasonal, winter, use fluffy yarn or bugs for trim. Summer, make open-toe sandals or mesh styles. Add personal tags or labels. If you make crochet baby shoes for gifts or sale, add small handmade tags like made with love, a simple care label like hand wash and hair dry. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!